sensor seems kind of loose. There's my valve body. There's my electronics, my external plug. This is my transducer, pressure sensor, some pressure solenoid, shift valves, the three pieces, bottom part, transfer plate, and the upper. Take it all apart, clean it of my 46RE. So much plate I've got before I adjust it. That's my front band, or they call it the kick band. And then I got my reverse slow band. Here's the material. It looks fairly thick. Not scored or screwed up. The band looks pretty good. Job feels smooth. The band looks like it's got some good material on it. It's been replaced. So I'm going to turn it and go with it. So this is after I adjusted the bands. This is my plate now. Then the rear band. This parking rod's got some kind of marking on it. Checking the servo operation here. Looks good. And then the clutch packs. Sounds like they're done. That's the rear. The lower valve body, cleaned, lubricated, and happy, reassembled. There's my transfer plate. Now it's onto the upper valve body, disassembled with all the valves, springs, components, and they're going to be cleaned, and I'm going to reassemble it right now. Okay, the reassembled valve body. Still got to put the pressure sensor and the solenoids here. That'll be tomorrow. Right now I'm feeling pretty good. Everything is freed up and working like it should. A fully reassembled valve body with new electronics, new receptacle there for the electronics. Goes through the case. New wiring harness, pressure regulator, and there's the two solenoids that provide torque converter lockup and overdrive, fourth gear. So there it is. Valve bodies are installed. The filter. Okay, I look at the pan back finally. So back in there is my PCM. There's my little center wire that I spliced and fixed it. Anyway, that's my new manufactured PCM. Back on the firewall. Kind of hard to see it. Alright, the maiden voyage with the new PCM, starting out from a dead stop. I hear first gear. Oh my god, it's shifted into second gear. Oh, look at this. It's shifting normally. Oh, there's third gear. Oh my god. Yay. Wow. And there's no check engine light on. Oh my God. Life is good. That little pin right there will not come out. And that's got to come out for the big pin to come out, so the axles can come in and the C-clip can come out. So I can't get that. I'm afraid I'm going to break it. I've already rounded it off. I can cut it, but I don't have another one. Like that. Dang, I wish I could get that pin out. Oh well. There's a universal chart. I can't see any plan. Can't feel any kind of issue with the universal chart. The new fuel pump installed. Getting ready to go back up. I'm gonna grab it from the filter tube. Everything looks good. So here's where my brake line ties into the one going to the back that I think is leaking. It's and this is all my plumbing. Holding tags, it's all that crap around it. And then it goes over to the drain box.